Hi, I'm Stefania Soldini, and today I would like to talk about our feasibility study of a 3D printing morphing origami solar cell CubeSat. Our team comprises of me, which I'm the PI, Dr. Paolo Paoletti, co-I, and Aloisia Russo from University of Liverpool. Then we have partners from Oxford Space System and the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency. So imagine a bio-inspired approach towards space exploration. Imagine ant colony. They can explore, they can coordinate together to solve some task, and finally they can reconfigure to face some challenges. Now, the biggest challenge for the space industry is how to make space mission adaptable and reliable. Well, a bio-inspired swarm of self-reconfigurable small satellites, which we call CubeSat, can be the answer. And NASA has actually tested CubeSat in this space, so there is quite an interest in this miniaturized technology. Now, what is a solar sail? A solar sail is the technology we are proposing for using reconfiguration, and is a big mirror in space which, by reflecting the sunlight light radiation, can propel itself. So it's something uncommon for Earth application, but in space, in microgravity, this effect helps for free propulsion. Now imagine to have this type of devices, but capable of controlling the local reflectivity on the surface of the sail. So we have a membrane that can be used as a solar sail, and then by changing the reflectivity, we change shape of this membrane and became an antenna, for example. And finally, we can wrap around into our CubeSat and use it as a blanket for re-entry. Now, because solar sails are very reflective, the way in which we want to control their reflectivity is through these control devices. Now, you can think about these control devices as the transition glasses lenses. So our idea and the challenge is to be able to reconfigure a CubeSat by using these reflective control devices, which we are going to prototype with additive manufacturing and get the next generation of CubeSat capable to reconfigure themselves. So this is an example of how we did this with the 3D printer on paper. But our final vision would be to have a swarm of this CubeSat capable to use solar sail technology for propulsion, reconfigure for mapping, for example, a planet, and then become an airbag so they can re-enter in the atmosphere of Mars and then deploy like ants and explore the surface of Mars. So this is the long-term vision. Thank you for watching.